all over the small business, you know?
So what is that?
Alright, this is the June plum carrot, cherry pine, speak the truth, and the beetroot, for the real youth. You know? Which is right.
How much you have it?
Right now, I have about 50 juice, you know. Represent for the ghetto youth, them, you know.
Small business. So we're going to just take everything in your thing.
Straight up.
Straight up. And you just...
Keep the faith up and grace up, you know? Yeah.
Go on with us.
I will never become a member of the Labour Party, but I'm certain of one thing, the Labour Party will be in power for a long, long time. You have a good night.
So I know what it is to have to take the tax.
Right now you're from there, no, from them.
So what you're trying to do?
For years I tried to beat so say I got them and I didn't get them.
So that you can go take
Yeah, you go your boss and I was and your and I work so
and so fine.
I went up after the last election rules.
And you start to operate reliably and with the framework that we have set. Your service will be just as good as us. And so it's not in the government's interest. Some things are best done by private operators.
You're more
Make it private operators do that.
do not have to lock up the job. If them have boss and if you give them time, you can react.
Remember we can have this here.
Because you know, no, what me saying about if you forget 5 tickets baby, and if you get $2,000 and $5,000, and if you take the $5,000 go here, them no money no guy. No.
So here's another situation. How about not getting the ticket?
No.
How about not getting the ticket in the first?
No.
It's difficult.
No, but you have to get it.
But the system come out. That the determination is with a judge. It's with our words. So the law said, you have to get it. You go before the judge.
Yeah, I know, but what me asking about, if I get the ticket, don't have a ticket for the driver.
No.
Because inside time, you want the money. If you lock up the driver, you still not get the money, and you still go feed them.
And that is
Alright. So feed them.
Somebody's bad at that. Let's go target you. You look like somebody who knows. You look like somebody who knows. Anyway,
yes, and yes, it's absolute. So each time when they went from all out there, so
that's the problem that they're from.
Long time and nobody is able to find. They wanted to put in a big yard, and if you put too much in a big house, yes. Okay. So I wonder if we don't see no progress.
With that situation. I wasn't aware of this situation. I remember this. Yeah, especially. Yeah. Alright, let me look into it. I'm where is the picture? Alright, I'm gonna but if I set something but this is the challenge of being one person by one of us. But we have to balance everything. Everybody has to Daddy pointed out to me. I'm trying to find this number. I owe you. How are you? I'm on the small business, small business.
Pick up yourself.
There is a minister of science.
Hey, give me, hey, bring one for me. Oh, what's your foot, girl? Go for one. Yes, guys, so something to point out, every bus will have the parish name. So as you can see, this bus has St. Catherine on it. If only I could get a clear shot. But this bus has St. Catherine.
How much you have it, sir? Huh? How much you have
He already picked up the beetroot.
50.
Cucumber is really nice. Cucumber and carrot.
Get to you, let me know. Our business.
I'm here, how you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so here what we have to do.
Which is right.
We have to go lead on another set.
Naturally.
So we're going to just take everything in your thing
Straight up.
straight up, and you just you will
Keep the faith up and do it. Yeah.
one with us.
First time I have a good day.